underscored the importance of unity and inclusive dialogue among Somalia's political and community leaders. And I reiterated the position of Somalia's international partners. We welcome the initiative announced by President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud in his Eid al-Fitr message to arrange a platform that brings together the full range of Somali voices to advance the country's state-building priorities and respond effectively to the al-Shabaab threat. The humanitarian situation in Southwest State remains serious, particularly in the face of global uncertainties in maintaining aid levels. In collaboration with humanitarian partners, the United Nations is working hand in hand with the Southwest State authorities to address these urgent needs. And we want to give priority to those who most need assistance. In that regard, I recalled the importance of an open political environment to permit the successful conduct of elections at all levels.